image, we want to put the buttons as the same as the ones that we put on our food page. So what we need to do, we just need to revisit this page. We need these buttons. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead. Oh, this is plus. We need the back button. We need to open this view. Okay, so we got a back button and we have a share. Yeah, okay, so we need these two. We're just going to copy these two components. After that, we go back and we're going to paste them right here on top. We need to go ahead and copy the style as well. Okay, so let's copy the first three styles, the first three style objects, and then we're going to paste them here. Okay, so we have to import colors and sizes like that. And the next thing, we need touchable opacity, and we also need icons. So first, let's handle our touchable opacity, and we need to import icons. So for icons, it's easier. We just get them from here. Okay, like that. And then we come paste them here. Let's get rid of this and design, save. Okay, so we're going to reopen this page. So we have our buttons right here. Okay, so we're done with that part. So we can close these two. And next we want to go ahead and deal with our rating. So our rating is going to be suspended right here. Okay, so after this touchable opacity, after the image per se, after the image, we're going to create a view. And so for a view, we're going to give it a style. We're going to call it rating. So we need to access our styles and we need to call our style rating. So we need to copy the name, go down to our style objects, and we need to go ahead and create a style object. So in our rating, we're going to have a height. We're going to give it a height of 50. We're going to justify whatever we're going to put inside to the center. Our width has to be 100%. Position, we're going to go with absolute, like that. Background, it's supposed to be background color. So for the background color, we're going to go with #00. It's a greenish color. FF53C. Z index, we're going to go with 999. Okay, so we're done with that part. At the bottom, we're going to give it a 0. The border radius, we're going to give it something like 18. Okay, so it's here. It's supposed to be right here on top, so we need to make some adjustments. So what we can do, we're going to just copy everything, cut per se, not copy. And we're going to have a view, paste everything in a view, and we're going to check this rating, and we're going to put it right here. Let's format the code. Okay, so that's our rating here. We need to adjust our border radius a little bit from 18 to 15. Okay, so far so good. Now we need to work on the rating itself. Okay, so what we did here, we just want to contain everything that's going to be on top of this image within a container. So we wrapped around everything, including the image in a view.